Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Klook guides step by step how to search and book and confirm your hotel reservation here on Klook. So here on Klook, all you need to do is open up your apps. So here I'll be teaching you how to do those. So first thing you need to do is once you open up your app, you will see hotel right here. So press on hotel. After pressing on hotel, you may search what location you want. Let's say you want the Philippines right here. Or let's say about Hong Kong. Then choose the day. You can choose it. There you go. One night. There you go. So you can say you're gonna choose it for one whole week. Then confirm. Then you need to add how many adults are you in there, and how many rooms will you book. There you go. So you see right there. Then now we're gonna search. Now after we search right here, all of it, as you can see, will pop up here. Now here's the fun part. Let's say you want to go to Disneyland, so click on the area right here and choose a landmark. As you can see, there's a landmark here, Hong Kong Disneyland. Choose that right there and then click on see result. Then there you go. And after doing that, you can also filter it out by pressing on filter right here. Then choose which one you want. Let's say you want it close to a theme park. Press on that. And then you want to control your budget to about, let's just say, there you go, 3,000 pesos per night. But as you can see right now, there's none, so we just fix it. As you can see right there, we're just fixing it. There you go. We're gonna make it like, there goes 0 found. There's 4 found. So if we remove the close to theme park, there's a lot. There's a lot with lower price, but if we're going close to theme park, only 4, and the lowest we can get is 8,000. Well, there. Let's say that. Then there you go. Now let's sort it out. As you can see, if you want to sort it out, which one is higher and lower popularity, there's a lot of them, but now there's only 2. So there you go. After doing that, press on the one you want. Let's say Ocean Park Marriott Hotel. And after choosing that, now all we need to do is choose our room right here. As you can see, let's choose our room right there. And then as you can see, now we need to book. There you go. As you can see, those entire nights will be cost 100,000, 601,000. There you go. Now all we need to do is click on pay now. Now we need to add a card. There you go. After doing that, after processing and paying, and then there you go, you have booked and you have your schedule. You'll receive an email on your Gmail and you will see the code. And also in the app, it will also show you a code and the receipt that you have already booked. So there you go, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comment section below. Happy to answer you guys, and thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.